Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode I'd like to talk about Yammer, the new feature of Storyline, and also the new feature of Stories. So, and actually if we go to Teams, so Teams will have the Yammer in a new app called Viva Engaged. So this is how Yammer looks on the web, but actually if we go to the Microsoft Teams Viva Engage, if we don't see it, we can click on the three dots and look for Viva Engage. So this is what we see. We have the home, we have the communities, which are the groups, and Storyline is actually like a Facebook where you can post all about your anything you want uh, everyone to know about. So first of all, let's go back to the web. Let's go back. So we see here actually that on the web we have on Yammer, we see the storyline. If we don't see it and your administrator can do, if you have access to it, actually you can go to the gear icon and now you have manage storyline. Here you have some settings, and if you mark the preview features and the public actually and enable the storyline, then you will see the storyline. The new thing is the stories, which is the possibility that you can upload a video or an image and describe something. So by default you see general availability is set, but the public preview is not set, and if we do that we will now see the stories. So let's enable it. This can be done from the Yammer side or also from the Viva Engage if you have admin's rights. So once we do that, let's go back, and actually if we go, it might take some seconds. Let's go back. Let's see. Viva stories. I'll refresh. Okay, so once we activated the public preview, we see here first of all what are stories. So here we see a demonstration that says you can share experiences with co-workers, share work updates, knowledge and ideas. Stories will appear on your followers carousel and also can be recommended. What else? You can create a story, you can take a picture, record a video, upload extra media. Video can be three minutes long. That's important to notice. You can follow and connect to other people. And actually, now we can start. So what we do is click on the create new story. Here again, we have some description. What should I share? Who can see the stories? And where can I find the stories? So the stories are always available on the storyline. The photos and videos are saved in OneDrive. So here we have two possibilities. We can record a video and upload a picture with description. So let's start with recording a video. We get to this screen. It's loading. Let's allow this. And now now you see me and you see the 3 minutes that I can talk. I have effects here which I can add a photo or a pen. So let's add, for instance, a logo or something that will make it nice. Let me look for something that is relevant. Here we go. Let's put this SharePoint. We can put it over here, increase it or decrease it, and this will be here. We have here some options. Microphone only. We can mirror the picture. You see, we can mute, and we can do some device settings to choose the camera and the microphone. We can also record a screen, but let's go back. So if I want to record, I click this button and it will give a countdown. And now actually I'm recording, and you see the 3 minutes is going and checking. Now if I go to the effects, I can go and take the pen and do some things here and do other things. Once I'm ready, I can take a retake. I'll click the next button, and I assume, no, I don't see we can cut or do anything. Let's continue. Now it's preparing. Okay, the video is here. I can say this is my first video. And we could add some people, add a topic. We can make the format of the text bold or italic, or add even a link. So let's post this. And I got a message, your story post successfully, view it on your. So let's just refresh, and actually now I should see it. It says okay, just so you see in your stories. Now I see this video. People can comment and say cool, let's post this, and I can start, and I can give a like or celebrate. And if there's more, then actually it's possible to scroll between them. So let's just add a new one. I'll go to this create, and I'll choose an upload. Let's upload an image. Okay, so this is the image I chose. I don't see it currently. Okay, so this is where I live. Yeah, sure. So I can also tag people, and I will post this. And if you remember, I had a video, and now I have both an image and a video. So this is the video, and this is the image with the text. Now I saw in some examples that actually people had more than several stories. Here it seems like everything is over here. What I noticed, if I go to the three dots, I can delete it. I think it's possible to edit. Let's go to the video, for instance. Okay, this is the video. I can copy the link, delete, and this is a featured story. Notice here it says you are featuring the story. The story will display at top of everyone's home story feed and will be included in the discovery email. It is not to be seen after it's viewed, and you can set here until. So consider if you wanted that everyone will see it or not. But you can set a display date and time. So because I'm in a demo site, then it's not a problem. But please be aware that if you want everyone to see that. Also from here you see I can create new things. And let's close this. Let's